Hi, this is a simple video on static IP route adding. As you can see, we have three routers here, R0, R1 and R2. We have already specified the IP address on respective interfaces. 192.168.1.1 is for the serial interface 010. Same way for the R1 2 interfaces and R2 1 interfaces. We have already set the clock rate. To start with, let's do some initial testing. As you can see, all these routers are connected with serial link. So if I try to ping from here to here, this being in the same network, they should be able to ping each other. Same way for the 192.168.1.0 network. Now, let's do some initial testing. If I ping from here to here, you can see that we get this success on the lower right hand side of your screen, and when we try to ping from R0 to R1, we again get the success. Now when you try to ping from R2 to R0, it says failed. Okay, this is where either we can enable any routing protocol or we can specify the static route. Let's specify the static route. To begin with, let's go on to the R0 router, go into the admin prompt, global configuration. The command is IP space route. We specify the network where we want to reach, that is 192.168.2.0, the subnet mask, and the next hop. Next hop here is R1 and the interface. So it should be 192.168.1.2. That's it. Simple. Done. However, we will have to specify the same thing on the R2 as well. If we do not, we will not be able to get the reply, because the packet will go from R0 to R1 and then R2, but it will not be able to reach, or rather it will not be able to come back from R2, R1, R0. So we'll have to specify the same command here as well. And the next hop for this will become 2.1. Okay, so 255, 255, 255.0 and dot 2.1. That's it, done. Now let's run few simple commands. If you see on R2, we are on R2. This is the router that we are talking about, and you see that it says S and C. There are two routes available. One which is directly connected, C. The other is static, which says that if you want to reach to 192.168.1.0/24, it is available via 192.168.2.1, which is this interface. So if I try to ping 192.168.1.1, fantastic, we get the reply. Same way we try to ping from here. Okay, and 2 as well. That's it, we get the reply. So you have seen it is very simple. You just need to add the static route on both the routers. As you keep on increasing the number of routers, it actually becomes more complex, but it sometimes it is fun. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video.